warm and so cold, like you hear some story about me. Them a paint me black and bold, but you know them never know me. Me I stand up in the light, still you search my face with fire. You treat rumor like it right. Turn your love into assault. Unfair warring on me heart. You a fight me, I'm in a start. All this anger, where you from, girl? Tell me why you vex so hard. Judge me before you see me. Oh, oh, you let them come between we. When your love did set me free. Remember how we did so close. Share a little better eyes. Now you listen to the ghost. Every whisper sound like proof, like ice. Me will tell you every truth, even the weakness when me hide. But you wear your hurt like armor, keep me standing on the outside. Unfair warring on me heart. You a fight me, I'm in a star. Where you from, girl? Tell me why you vex so hard. Oh, unfair warring on me heart. Ooh, you a judge me before you see me. Oh, 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 you let them come between me. When your love did set me free. World full of grudge and greed. Everybody quick for bleed, quick for curse, slow for heal. Oh, but me still there for you. If you want talk it true, then we hold you till you feel. Unfair warring on me heart. You a fight me, I'm in a start. All this anger, where it from, girl? Girl, tell me why you vex so hard. Unfair warring on me heart. Baby, drop the stone and see me. Let we love back, come redeem we. 'Cause your love still set me free, set me free.